Sis.
Clockwise, counterclockwise.
Bakit ko konti lang pagkain, sis?
Kasi ano eh, talira.
Ha? Bakit ko konti lang?
Ano bakit ako video?
I-erase your life. Why there's only little food? Walang budget. Check this out, guys.
Kasi ang daming mga ghost project.
Ayan na, ang tradition. Ayan na, Kuya Nero. Tinaano niya, ayan na, sarap po. Wow! Ayan na, yung balat. Naku, malutong yan. Sana, no? Wala talagang pagkain, no? There's not enough food. Oh my God, look at all the food. Gee whiz. Look at that, look. That's a big... Jumbo. Woo. Ay, walang pagkain gaano. Wala. Oh, gee. Ang sarap. Look at that. You like dinuguan. Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Erica's favorite.
No.
Oh, you like, oh, you gotta try it.
I'll try it later.
Hey,
She tried it
hey,
already.
I tried it.
Oy, Bianca, Bianca, Abel.
Oh, yeah.
Si Alex, likes dinuguan. Oh, gee. I made that. With flat beans, shrimp, masarap. With ribs. Masarap ng flat beans. Sa vegetable, kumuha ka, masarap yung flat beans. Oh, ito pa. Oh, there's more soup, guys. Here's the beef stew. Right here, soup. Okay. Dami pagkain. Naku. O, Kuya Boy, kamusta na? Okay ka ba dyan? Yes or no?
No.
That's what I like about you. No! I made this. Naku, dessert. Gotta put some ice on this. And then buko pa. Hi, we need a scoop here. Oh, ayan na. Hello, bro. Merry Christmas. So busy nagluto kaya hindi nakano. Everyone's here, oh. Oy! Oy! I didn't know you guys here. Hey, Merry Christmas.
Merry
Dito pala
Christmas.
kayong dalawa. Good. Nice to see you guys. Uy, kain na kayo doon. Go. Punta na kayo. Dali.
This is Edmund's
Get some food.
twin.
Yeah, he's my bodyguard. We go clubbing, dancing. He's my bodyguard. Without him, I would not experience because my dad would not let me go to go out unless he's with me, right? Pasok na kayo, dali. Kain na kayo. Buti naman nakapunta kayo. Merry Christmas. Okay. Yeah, sis. Bro, walang gaanong pagkain, oh. Walang-wala, oh. Uy, baka majeta ka niyan. Paano yan? Walang pagkain. Majeta ka. Oh my God, konti lang ginawa mo.
That's it, diet.
Nagja-dieta ka.
Are you on a diet?
Yes, Hi, sis. Bella, kamusta na? Merry Christmas. Uwi ulit kami sa Pinas. Baka pumunta ulit sa farm. Sana makaano si pare. We wanna see him. Gusto na makita siya. Para next time. Tsaka yung yung pisa ko gusto makita yung pansabong niya. Merry Christmas, everyone. Nako, paano yung diet ko? Wala na. Wala na yung diet ko. Sana ma-tempo namin. Kami, January 15, sis, hanggang March 3rd. Yun. Pero arrival namin dyan, mga one day, because mag-ano pa kami sa Taipei. Stop over muna, layover, no? Pero we should be arriving there on the 17th. A little over 6 weeks. Sana makapunta ka. Kayo, para magkita tayo. Hindi pa napopost yung picture mga kuwa dun eh. Ngayon, ito na naman yung mga travel ko. Oh my God. This year, grabe, ang dami. Ano po, Senny? So busy. Sa Facebook, say hi. And Merry Christmas sa Pilipinas. Oh, hi, Will. How are you? Merry Christmas, si Will. Say hi to Will, everyone. Hi, Will. Si Will. Say hi. Merry Christmas. Say hi to Will. Si Will. Will.
Oh.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, Will. He's watching. Si Will.
Will. Hey, what's up, man?
Oh,
Merry
ayan na.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas to Will. There you go. Thank you for watching, Will. Where's the lechon? Right here, Will. Oh, he said hi, Marv. Will said hi.
Hi, Will.
He goes, where's the
What's up,
lechon?
man?
It's right here. Look at this. Oh, Oh. Kuya Ender is working on the balat. Ang sarap niya, no? Si Will. Say hi to Will. Ayan o. Naku, itong expert tigakat natin ng ano eh, oh. Ng lechon. Traditional yan, no? Every year.
Tell Ruth, let's drink.
Oh, let's drink. Ano sabi mo kay Will?
Drink, Will.
Ay, sabi ni Will, sarap. Ayan o. I know. There you go. Oh, ang cute-cute ni ano, Will. Oh. Anak ni Macho. Sierra. Will.
Oh.
Say hi. Hi, Will. He's watching. Look how pretty she is. Look at Brooksy. So pretty. Oh. And say hi to Will. We got our army captain here. He's on vacation. Okie doke. All right, I'm gonna eat now. Of course. Paborito. Sarap na yung panada ni Ate Ching, ni Kuya Onero. Best yan, no? Sarap niya, no? Homemade yan. Ginagawa nila yan. So, paspa, oh. Oh my goodness. Ayan na, oh. Say, hey, Merry Christmas to everyone in the Philippines. Say hi. Merry Christmas. Oh, thank you, Will. Yeah. Si Will. He said hi to everyone. Si Will. Okay, Merry Christmas. Will Smith. Will. Sabi niya, where's the lechon? Sa ako right there. Sa kita niya, sarap. Oh, yun. Our tradition. There you go. Okay. Are you cold now? You're gonna eat outside? Yeah. Ooh, I like your jacket. So soft. Okay, dokie. Thank you for watching, everyone. All right, Merry Christmas, whoever's watching. Bye you. I have
What's in
my,
there?
my army flavor.
What's that? What's
Oh,
that?
that's sopas. Sopas, anak.
My favorite.
Yeah, oh, come on, anak. You're on a diet today.
I'm never on a diet.
I know. You can get rid of that. You're always running anyway. Nako, paborito ko to. Oh. That's my favorite. Ayan, nakita mo yan. Langka. Paborito ko yan. That's my favorite. Langka. O yan, carry. Oh, there's carry. Oh, dito ka. Ay, akala ko dito ka. Okay, there you go. Enjoy.
Carry.
Okay.
Meron ko regalo kay sa amin.
Oh, bye for now.
No.
Bye, bro. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye you. Ciao. Bye. Merry Christmas, everyone.